everyone, Carol here with another Everspruce tips and tricks video. Today I want to talk about the tagging feature. So the tagging feature in the Everspruce app, why is it so great? It's so great because it helps put your items in categories even though they're in different locations. So you can see I am a luxury bag collector and this is part of my Hermès collection. So I have logged all my items into the Everspruce app and I'm going to show you how to add the item in and then how to use the tag function. So how to use the tag function. I'm going to add this wallet in to my collection. So I'm going to log into the Everspruce app. I'm going to click the plus button. I'm going to say add a new item. And it's going to ask me what box do you want to add this item in, and it's going to be my top cabinet. Then I'm going to take a picture of my item. I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to name it Hermès wallet. Description, I'll just use the word blue. Save. Done. Super easy. Now go back to the home button. And I am sorted by newest, so it's the first item on my item list. And so you can see here, there's a tag function. You push the plus button, and I'm going to tag it Hermès and an SLG. I go back, and I can see now this item is tagged Hermès and SLG. That's it. That's done. That's how easy it is to tag an item. And to create a tag, all you need to do is click on an item, push the button, and then you can see on top here it says create new tag. So you would just create that, type in a new word, and then just press OK. So that's how easy it is to create a tag that doesn't exist already. So when you use the tag function for your items, it helps minimize your time of looking for things that you aren't sure where they are. And then you can have things in different boxes that are in the same category that you need, and all you have to do is use the tag function to locate where all those items are. For example, I can use my tags and I'm going to click on Hermès and handbags, and then you can see all my stuff that I tagged Hermès and handbag in that two specific categories pop up on my app, and then I can just click on one item and it'll just tell me exactly where it is and I know where to go to get it. So it just minimizes me shuffling through a bunch of stuff in my closet, in my bedroom, or in my garage, wherever, trying to find these things. So that was it. Now you know how to use the tag function in the Everspruce app. You can see how powerful that tool is when you're trying to declutter and organize your home. You can do it very quickly. Not everything needs to be in a perfect spot. You can put random things in one box, and by tagging those items, you can see where everything is in a specific category. So I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching and happy organizing. Thanks for watching my Everspruce tips and tricks video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow Everspruce on Instagram and download the Everspruce app in the App Store. Links down below.